I've been working online for over 15 years. Let me say that again. 15 years. That's longer than most people stay committed to anything that hasn't yet made them successful. For most of those 15 years, I was stuck. Completely, hopelessly stuck. I tried blogging. My blog earned $80 before it died. I tried selling designs. I made $6 before my account was closed. I tried YouTube. 23 subscribers after 10 videos. I tried building a digital product. 2 copies sold. Year after year, I watched other people succeed while I stayed exactly where I was. Working hard, trying everything, getting nowhere. The worst part wasn't the failure itself. It was the not knowing why. I fell into a depression during this period. I lost the desire to learn, to create, to even get out of bed. I had tried so many things and none of them had worked. What was the point of trying anything else? But something changed. Not overnight, but slowly, piece by piece, I found my way out. And looking back, I can see exactly what shifted. 5 realizations that fundamentally changed how I approach everything. The first realization, I was chasing the wrong things. For years, I believed success was about finding the right method, the right platform, the secret formula. So I jumped from blogging to freelancing to video creation, always convinced the next thing would be the thing. The truth was, the method was never the problem. I was the problem, not because I was incapable, but because I never stayed with anything long enough to get good at it. Success online is not about finding the perfect method. It's about choosing something and sticking with it long enough for the compound effect to kick in. The second realization, quick money is a trap. I consumed endless content about making money online. Promises of fast cash and easy success. I believed them. I chased them. And when they failed, I didn't just lose time. I lost my belief in myself. Real online income doesn't come from quick tricks. It comes from building something of genuine value over a long period of time. Anyone who tells you otherwise is probably selling something. The third realization, small daily actions compound into massive results. This was the most important shift. I used to think success required a viral article or a lucky break. I was waiting for the big moment. But the big moment never came. The 1% rule changed everything. Improve by just 1% every day. These actions feel almost pointless in the moment. But compounded over months and years, they produce results that look like magic. 2 years ago, I started learning to code. 10 minutes a day. Today, I'm building my own applications. No single day felt transformative. But hundreds of small days produced a transformation that a single big moment never could. The fourth realization, fear doesn't go away. You act anyway. I used to believe successful people were fearless. They're not. The fear of publishing still visits me every time I write. It hasn't disappeared. I've just learned to act in its presence. The question that changed everything was this: what can I give them? Not what will they think of me, but what can I offer? When your focus shifts from yourself to the person you're trying to help, fear loses its power. The fifth realization, rest is a trap when it's unearned. During my depression, I stopped everything. The rest felt pleasant at first, but that pleasant rest slowly transformed into unbearable emptiness. Real rest comes after effort. Idle rest destroys the soul. This keeps me going on the hard days. I work not just to achieve something, but because meaningful effort protects me from the darkness I once fell into. I'm not going to tell you I've made it. I haven't. But something is fundamentally different now. Instead of starting over yet again, I went back to my original channel, the one with 23 subscribers, and I'm continuing what I started. No more chasing new beginnings. No more abandoning what I've already built. I'm not stuck anymore. I'm building. Every day. Not because I've found the secret method, but because I've stopped looking for one. If you're stuck right now, you're not alone. I was stuck for 15 years. And the things that unstuck me weren't secrets. They were simple principles anyone can apply. Stop chasing methods. Stop believing quick money promises. Start doing small things daily. Act in the presence of fear. And remember that real rest is earned through meaningful work. That's what changed for me. And I believe it can change for you too. If this helped you, subscribe to the channel. I'm building this right alongside you. And if you want the complete system, my book 40 Atomic Habits for Online Success is available on Gumroad. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.